Hi, welcome back. We have come to the final lessons. I hope you enjoy the progress we have made with all the previous projects. Let us march on and finish strong with this project. After we have finished with ironing, we need to find top stitch all four corners of this shoulder opening area. Sew slowly to get a fine result. Here we go, this is the finished result, neat and fine. Step 2, Biffing. Arrange the whole cape vest on the table. Secure all the four sides with sewing pins. You will notice some of the uneven fabric at the side. Trim this uneven part away so both sides will be the same size. Let's make a center marking at top and bottom. Now to the original fabric. It's big, so we must place flatly on the table or floor. Secure all sides with sewing pins. Trim the extra and uneven fabric away. This is normally 0.2 cm or less at some parts. Step 3, Briefing. We have to sew the side allowance from the inside. We will take the allowance out together slowly and turn it out and secure with sewing pins along the side until you have reached the middle. Use sewing pins to secure the right side till we pin the half of the cape. Then sew this right side with 1 cm allowance. We will sew another side later. We will now continue to sew the right side of the cape vest. Start with finding out the center point, marking for both materials. Take right side to right side. Slowly turn it over and secure all the sides together with sewing pins. You can refer to Step 3 Briefing for a clearer and bigger picture. Hold both material evenly and secure all the sides with sewing pins. You need to pin the right side only. When we are ready, start sewing along it with 1 cm allowance. Step 4, Briefing. After we have finished sewing, pull the right side out and continue to sew the left side. Turn it around again and secure with sewing pins. Leave a 15 cm gap for pulling out the fabric. Now we'll come to the actual material. After the right side is done, start to sew the left side. Secure all the left side with sewing pins. Keep in mind that we have to leave a 15 cm gap unsewn in order to pull the cape vest material out after sewing. Start to sew the left side of the cape vest now with 1 cm allowance. When we reach the center point of the cape vest, Remember to leave 15 cm gap for pulling out the material later. Sew neatly along the way. After everything ready, now reach the final briefing. Pull out all the cape vest material from this gap. We will iron all the side and top stitch all around the cape vest. Now come to the real material. Here we go. We have finished sewing both left and right side of the cape vest. Slowly turn out the remaining cape vest from this 15 cm gap. Pull out all the materials from the inside. Before we proceed to press iron all the sides, we will use a sewing pins to adjust all the 4 corners. That results in a sharper point. We will adjust the corner allowance at the same time. Now press iron with steam iron carefully. Wow, we have arrived at the final stretch. Top stitch all the cape vest side, and we will choose to sew from the plain color side. A fine top stitch required here. Congratulations! What an amazing piece that we have made! I'm so happy you have gone through all these 5 projects with me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have truly enjoyed all of them. I will see you in the next project. In the meantime, keep creating. Bye bye!